Okay, hey, we're going to learn how to graph lines in the form y equals mx plus b that we're given a slope. And you have the y-intercept. We're just going to do, first off, we're going to learn to graph them how if you're just given a point and a slope. And notice this first problem, we have the point negative 3, 1. So let's put a dot at negative 3, 1. All right, nice green dot there, easy to see. And my slope is 3, which is the same thing as 3 over 1. Remember, slope is rise over run, or the change in y's over the change in x's. So first thing I'm going to do is my x, which is the 1, is going to go over right 1, positive. And 3 would be positive, it's going to go up 3. Notice you can see that nice little marks right there. I'm going to put a dot there. And I can do it again, go over 1 and up 3 more. And basically connect the dots and extend the line. And I just graphed it. That's all there is to it. Find that first one, find the slope. The slope keeps going forever and ever. And I can graph the points. Let's try a second one. Well, Coach Stoney, I can put a dot at 5, 2 pretty easy, but that negative, does it go with the 4 or with the 3? Great question. It can go with either one. So first off, let's just do it with, put it with the top one, negative 4. And let's graph it. That means I would go over 3 to the right, and I would go down 4 and put a dot. But suppose I put the 3 with a negative. As long as it's with one of them, it's still negative, doesn't matter. If I did it this way, I would go 3 to the left and up 4, which would make the dot there and connect the line. And notice all the dots are still in a straight line no matter which way I did it. The negative can go with either one, it doesn't matter. All right. Generally, I put it with the top number and keep going, but you can put it with either one. But don't put it with both, because if you put it with both, that would make it then a positive. So let's try this one. C is at negative 3, negative 5. Okay. But the slope's negative 4. Well, how do I do that? Well, make it over 1. Negative 4 over 1, right? Go over 1, and then I'd go down 4. Well, I can't really go over 1 and down 4 more, but I could have put the, if I go the other way, could I also have had 4 over negative 1? Yeah, I could have gone left 1 and up 4. Would put it right there, and I draw my line, it would look like that. Okay, let's look at one more just for, so let's look at the point 2, negative 4, puts it there. And my slope is 1 over 3. Well, now I'm going to go over 3 and down what? Down what? Up 1. Up 1. Glad I think I'm paying attention at least when I made this. Going to go up 1. Or I could have gone what? A negative over a negative is also a positive, right? I could have gone over 3 to the left and down 1. Notice those dots are all still in a nice row. And graph the line and have that right there. So draw a line through the given point with a given slope, plot the point, and then make another dot after you use your slope. Remember, the top number is the y's and the bottom number is the x's. And the positives and negatives indicate the directions. Positives up and or right if they're x's, and if they're negative, it's down or left.